The rogue police asset who shot a Central Luzon police and anti-narcotics agent in a setup hit job has been nabbed and repatriated back from Digos to Malolos City, where he will be charged with murder along with several cops in the setup slay of Staff Sergeant Renato Casaway Jr. earlier this week. All of the 6 other suspects with him during the night of the slay have either been caught or turned themselves in, as we hear more from Ryan Lesiges.
Little by little, the motive behind the killing of Police Staff Sergeant Renato Casaway, a police officer and member of the PNP Drug Enforcement Group 3, is becoming clearer. On January 24, the police officer was reported missing. On January 31, his body was found inside a septic tank in Bulacan.
So we are looking at the possibility na ito pong pagpatay ay wala pong ibang motibo kung hindi job-related na po.
The Philippine National Police has already arrested the gunman in the killing of Casaway, identified as Julian Salamat, in Tagum City, Davao del Norte. He was carrying his passport at the time of his arrest, an indication, according to authorities, that he was planning to leave the country to go into hiding.
Kasi po sa monitoring natin, si Salamat po, unang-una po ay from Bulacan, he went to Manila, and sumakay po siya ng aeroplano going to Cebu. And then from Cebu, nagbaylan po siya going to Dumaguete City. Then from Dumaguete City, baylan also, nagpunta siya ng Misamis, Lanao, and Tagum City.
Sir, why daw sa Tagum City yung last na ano niya?
Base sa intelligence monitoring po natin, mayroon po siyang kaibigan na taga Tagum City.
Meanwhile, 2 other suspects, Albert Maglines and Marvin Nolasco, surrendered to the police in Bulacan. At present, authorities have 7 suspects under custody out of the 11 individuals involved in the killing, including the son of a journalist, Oliver Mauricio. Police continue to search for 4 other suspects in connection with the case. The PNP explained how a journalist became involved in the incident.
Medyo nagalit nga po yung tatay. Tinanong po ng anak at saka ng mga kasama niya kung anong gagawin. And according to him, is hanggalin doon kasi mangangamoy. On the following day, is February 25, mayroon pong mga pulis natin, mga investigador, mga operatiba, iniban the SWAT, na nagpunta doon sa compound to check or to inquire whether or not mayroon po bang nagpunta na Sergeant Casaway sa kanilang lugar. And the answer of the father is wala po, negative. So ito po yung mga basihan. That is why nagkaroon po ng participation as an accomplice to the crime.
After the arrest of the 4 suspects, they were immediately subjected to drug testing, and the results showed the 3 of them tested positive for illegal drug use. The recovered firearm that may have been used in the crime has also been subjected to forensic examination. Ryan Lesiges from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.